Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Sakuya Konohana Kan. Sakuya Konohana Kan is a large greenhouse that is located in Tsurumi, Osaka. It's opened in 1990 for International Flower and Garden Expo. Today it is one of the biggest botanical gardens in Japan. Inside, if you can find a plant that come from many different parts of the world. The tropical zone is the first room that you will see. It is warm and full of colorful flowers like hibiscus and bougainvillea. These flowers bloom all year, so you can enjoy them in any season. There is also a dry zone that has cacti and succulent plants. Another room shows alpine plants that grow in cold mountain areas. Walking through the greenhouse feels like a trip around the world. The flower hall is a space that changes with every season. In spring, you can see a cherry blossom displays. In winter, Pogynsecica fills the room with color. Each visit brings something new to enjoy. One event that attracted many visitors was the blooming of the Titan elm. This is a plant that produces one of the biggest flowers in the world. Its bloom lasts only a short time, which makes it very special to see. In recent years, the garden has held special exhibitions about plants and the environment. These events were held to celebrate the 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo, which ended in October 2025. The garden is now a place that people visit not only to enjoy flowers, but also to learn about nature and the future. To get there, take the Osaka Metro Nagahori Tsurumi Ryokuchi line. Get off at Tsurumi Ryokuchi station and walk for a few minutes. The garden is next to Tsurumi Ryokuchi Park, so you can enjoy a walk there too. This is a great place to visit with family, friends, or on your own. Come and enjoy the beauty of nature in the heart of Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.